Walabot DIY 2. So we'll go ahead and start scan until we find our first stud. So there's a stud right there. It tells us that it's a wooden stud. It shows us exactly where the center is. So it's very nice, guys. We can see exactly what's inside the wall. Let's see if we can find another one. Bam, there's another stud right here. And it's really nice. We actually have a battery indicator there. It tells us exactly how much juice is left inside of our battery. Hello everyone, it's Kermit with QuickTech AV. And today we're gonna show you the Walabot DIY 2. The Walabot DIY 2 is a visual stud finder that will allow you to see what's inside the walls. You can see wood studs, metal studs, pipes and wires, and even small movements that's inside the wall. So check it out, guys. We'll show you how it works. We do have a bathroom on the other side of this wall, so we do want to scan very well to make sure that we have no pipes in the way when we start drilling, because otherwise we will have water everywhere. And as of right there, we have a pipe or a wire. You see that, guys? So we want to stay clear of that pipe or wire so that we don't cut into the electric or drill into a water pipe and then we'll have water all over the floor. Now I'm going to show you the expert mode. Let's see if we can find that pipe. So there's the pipe and wire. That's what it looks like on the expert mode. Yeah, it kind of shows you where the pipe or the wire is. And if your wire or pipe is going left or right, it'll show you the direction that it's going in. So there you go, guys. There's the Walabot DIY 2. Kermit with QuickTech AV. Contact us for all your tech needs.